The longest book of the Bible is Jeremiah. This prophet had a lot to say. He even wrote in the 20th chapter of his book. But if I say, I will not mention his words or speak any more in his name, his word is in my heart like a fire shut up in my bones. I am weary of holding it in. Indeed, I cannot. Jeremiah chapter 20 verse 9. Granted, Jeremiah is the longest book based on how we currently arrange the books of the Bible. If we did it the old school way, the two-part of Bible Kings would be the longest book.
Abimelech's warning, which is mentioned in Genesis 20. Long before the nation of Israel settled between the Mediterranean and the Jordan River, their ancestor Abraham sojourned throughout the territory with his wife Sarah. Abraham was a rich guy and therefore a pretty big deal, so it's not like he and Sarah just stop at holiday in late night before leaving at first light in the next day. When Abraham moved to a new city, the leadership of that city took note. There was a big problem though Sarah was gorgeous and some of the city leaders had enough power to take whatever they wanted by force. If a king had a crush on the new girl in town, all he had to do was murder her husband and take the woman for himself. So when Abraham makes his way to Gerar, he is concerned that his wife is so attractive that great Gerar's king Abimelech will kill him just to be with her. Abraham has a backup plan, though he just tells everyone Sarah is his sister. Turns out Abimelech is totally into Sarah. He takes Sarah into his harem, but before he goes anywhere near the woman, God comes to him in a dream. You can read the whole exchange for yourselves in Genesis 20, but the gist of it is back off, dude, she has taken. It's probably worth nothing here that when he goes down, Sarah is about 89 years old. Mesopotamian palace is one of the world's lost treasure.